What's the meaning of Art Blakey? Art Blakey. Art Blakey.
Art Blakey. Art Blakey. Art Blakey was an American jazz drummer and bandleader who is widely regarded as one of the greatest and most influential drummers in jazz history. He led the Jazz Messengers, a group of young musicians who would go on to become some of the most prominent jazz artists of their generation. Blakey's powerful and innovative drumming style helped to define the hard bop sound and inspire generations of musicians. His legacy lives on through his recordings and the countless musicians he influenced and inspired.